This video will show you how to install the Intermatic Ascend Smart or Standard in-wall timer into a standard light switch. Please note that the Ascend can only be installed in locations that include a neutral wire, which should be present if your home was built or rewired after 1972. Remember to always follow basic safety precautions when installing and operating this product and associated equipment. It is crucial that you turn off the power at the circuit breaker or disconnect switch before you begin. To start, remove the existing switch from the wall and disconnect the wires. Next, connect the green wire of the Ascend to the green wire or ground from the wall. Be sure to place a twist-on connector at each junction. Then connect white to neutral, which should also be white. Then black to black, the line wire. Next, locate the load wire in the wall, which should be yellow or purple, and connect to blue on the Ascend. Finally, use the gray twist-on connector to cap the red wire on the Ascend, as this will not be needed in a standard installation. Once all wires are connected, carefully place them back into the wall and screw in the Ascend timer and then a wall plate. Turn the power back on and that's it. Your new Ascend in-wall timer is installed and ready to use.